I was only 4 billion years old when you decided to think that you were better than me. And yet somehow, despite all the hate you pour like my rain, you still depend on me. And isn't it funny when I make a storm, all the little kids start to cry? Well, I've been warning you with the smoke I give that you ain't the only one who can die. So it's raining and it's pouring, I'm afraid the old man will stop his snoring. My arms are getting ripped to make room for wealth, and my air is fully black, and you really can't go back. And I know I've had enough, but have you? But of course, what's that mean to you? What's that mean to you? What's it mean to me? Can you make some money? What's it mean to you? My grass wants to be green, and I know some you got the thumb, but my animals keep dying, seems like you're afraid of them. And the big tall ice, so cold and strong, is almost like your heart's thinking only of itself, but when it gets heat it starts to melt. So the future ain't so bright, sorry, no more northern lights. I kinda feel like I almost just can't breathe for you, for me. So it's raining and it's pouring, I'm afraid the old man will stop his snoring. My arms are getting ripped to make room for wealth, and my air is turning black, and you really can't go back, and the water simply ain't that blue no more. But of course, what's it mean to you? What's it mean to you? What's it mean to me? Can you make some money? So in 2025, I want you to have my eyes, so you can see through my very own looking glass. So thank Greta for the speech, and the schools for all green weeks, and the kids who wait a little longer to find a trash bin. So I've got one more thing to ask. I know you're tired of that mask, but I've been under one for thousands of man-made years. So if I don't survive, there's nothing you can try to make it be like it was before. So let's check back in 2044. It's raining and it's pouring, and the old man has stopped his snoring. My arms can't get teared for piece to price, and my air is fully black this time, and you really can't go back this time, and the water just ain't that blue no more. But of course, I hope it means something to you, 'cause it sure means something to me. Tell me that you care, like I care for you. Can I even make it through? Most of the time, I'd say I'm a pretty good friend to you.